In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams in a quick and efficient way. Let's get started right away. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Slack website. Enter the URL or simply search for Slack in your browser's search bar, and it will bring up the official site. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Slack account. If you already have an account, you can enter your email to sign in. You'll also find options to sign in using an Apple ID or Google account, which can be a convenient alternative if you prefer. This flexibility in logging on is one of Slack's great features, allowing you to access your workspace with whichever method suits you best. After logging in, the next step is to select your preferred workspace. Now, workspaces in Slack are like different environments or sections where your team can collaborate and communicate. You may have access to multiple workspaces, so make sure to click on the one you wish to integrate with Microsoft Teams. This choice is crucial because the integration you are about to set up will only apply to the specific workspace you choose here. Now, you need to navigate to the Slack Marketplace. This is where you can find and add various apps and integrations that work seamlessly with Slack. You can find the Marketplace option in the sidebar menu. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Team Calls. This is the specific integration you'll need for joining Slack and Microsoft Teams. When you locate Team Calls in the search results, click on the Get It Now button. This will initiate the installation process. Slack will guide you through a series of prompts to complete the installation. These prompts are helpful, walking you through permissions and other settings necessary to get everything configured correctly. It's important to follow each step carefully to ensure the integration works smoothly, as interruptions in these settings can lead to functionality issues. Once the installation is complete, the Team Calls integration will appear under the Apps section in your Slack sidebar. This immediate feedback means you've successfully added the integration and it's ready for use. You can now enjoy seamless meeting scheduling and calling capabilities between Slack and Microsoft Teams. This integration is particularly beneficial for teams who use both platforms, streamlining communications and improving productivity. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips.